The life insurance market in the US is competitive, made up of a mix of long-standing insurers and newer, insurtechs, that sell policies online. To narrow down our list of the best life insurance companies, we looked at customer complaints data, consumer experience and financial strength. We also assessed the types of policies on offer, and the ways you can buy coverage. Based on these factors, these are our top life insurance companies for 2023. Why you can trust NerdWallet. Our writers and editors follow strict editorial guidelines to ensure the content on our site is accurate and fair, so you can make financial decisions with confidence and choose the products that work best for you. Here is a list of our partners and here's how we make money. How we ranked the top life insurers. NerdWallet's life insurance ratings are based on consumer experience, complaint index scores from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners for individual life insurance, and weighted averages of financial strength ratings, which indicate a company's ability to pay future claims. Within the consumer experience category, we consider ease of communication and website transparency, which looks at the depth of policy details available online. To calculate each insurer's rating, we adjusted the scores to a curved 5-point scale. These ratings are a guide, but we encourage you to shop around and compare several insurance quotes to find the best rate for you. NerdWallet does not receive compensation for any reviews. Company overview. Haven Life offers term life insurance with accelerated underwriting, a process that uses algorithms and data to quickly assess your insurability. The entire application process is conducted online and the company says it can be completed in about 25 minutes. While Haven specializes in one type of life insurance, it offers choices for its customers. Depending on the policy you pick, you could buy $25,000 to $3 million in coverage, and choose a term lasting from 5 to 30 years. Haven Life's policies are issued by MassMutual, which drew significantly fewer than expected customer complaints for a company of its size. Life insurance can provide a financial safety net for your loved ones if you pass away. It can be overwhelming to figure out the best life insurance companies to purchase a policy from. Researching the largest life insurance companies in the US can provide a guide to some of the top options, as the majority of Americans work with large life insurance providers. The top 10 largest life insurance providers account for nearly 53.1% of market share. Large life insurance companies often provide a significant web of resources and the likelihood of financial stability. Trends in the life insurance industry. Life insurance ownership rates have been on a downward trend for decades, but that changed with the COVID-19 pandemic. New policy purchases went up in both 2020 and 2021. J.D. Power reported that quote and buy rates increased by 4% last year. And in a survey by Remark, 64% of respondents said they increased their life insurance in 2021. It probably doesn't come as a surprise that most consumers buy life insurance to cover final expenses and pass on money to their beneficiaries. There are two other common ways people used life insurance policies in 2021. 18% used them to protect retirement income. 9% used them for tax planning purposes. The most significant change to the life insurance industry in recent years is a more streamlined buying process that can be completed at home. Online sales are much more common. The portion of consumers who preferred this went from 17% in 2011 to 29% in 2020, according to the Insurance Information Institute. Accelerated underwriting and no-exam life insurance have become popular, especially as the pandemic made it more difficult to go through a series of medical exams. For many people, life insurance is a necessary part of their financial plan. It can help protect your loved ones financially or pay off debt if you pass away unexpectedly. It can give you peace of mind, and it can also help you leave a financial legacy. However, life insurance can be complicated. There are several different types of life insurance, and finding the right type for your needs is important. Term life insurance, where coverage expires after a certain number of years, is one popular type among people with young families looking to keep premiums down. Meanwhile, permanent insurance, like whole and universal life insurance policies, keep coverage in place no matter how long you live, and can even build cash value. to help you choose the best coverage for your situation and needs. CNBC Select compared dozens of life insurance companies and ranked them based on factors like customer satisfaction as rated by J.D. Power's individual life insurance study. Best ratings for financial stability as rated by rating agency AM Best, online usability, and whether or not an exam is required. See our methodology for more information on how we chose the best life insurance companies. Mutual of Omaha's relatively high age limits can help seniors overcome challenges in buying life insurance. Term life products are available up to age 80, while whole life products are available up to age 85. While Mutual of Omaha's whole life policies are limited to $25,000 worth of coverage, they don't require a medical exam. Guardian shines with a top-tier A++ rating from AM Best for financial strength. For those looking for term insurance, Guardian makes it easy to get an idea of how much coverage could cost for those interested in term life policies with a tool on their website. Guardian's level term insurance offers the option of conversion to a whole life policy in the first 5 years for free if your needs change. A perk that generally costs extra as a rider on other policies we considered years. After that term expires, there's no coverage or death benefit. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance policies follow you for your whole life, building a cash value. The family or organizations you choose, also called beneficiaries, will receive money when you die. Indexed universal life insurance. Like whole life insurance, this policy also lasts a lifetime and builds cash value, earning value based on index funds. Guaranteed universal life insurance. Like term policies, this type of permanent life insurance generally has a very high age as an end date where the policy will remain active, usually between ages 90 and 100. But this policy generally doesn't accumulate much cash value, if any. Variable universal life insurance. A type of life insurance where you control how the account is invested. This type of life insurance generally doesn't have a guaranteed death benefit. If you're not sure which type of life insurance coverage is best for you, speaking with a financial advisor vary largely based on your gender, age, health information and how much coverage you're buying. While small, guaranteed issue policies might have lower premiums, a large whole life policy will have much higher premiums. For term policies, which generally have the lowest premiums, the typical life insurance premium for a $500,000 term policy is about $26 per month for a 35-year-old female, and about $30 per month for a male of the same age according to Policy Genius data. For a whole life policy, premium payments are higher. Policy Genius estimates that a 35-year-old male will pay about $571 per month to pay up their premiums by age 99. What age is best to get life insurance? Life insurance gets more expensive with age. Therefore, it will cost the